Replit just dropped connectors, and it basically lets you hook up your favorite tools and data sources in seconds. So no more dealing with messy API keys and complicated setup. Before this, if you wanted to integrate something like Google Sheets, Dropbox, or Salesforce into your app, you had to go to a developer account, create an API key, wire up OAuth manually, and repeat the whole painful process every single time you built something new. It's a total time sink. But now with Replit Connectors, it's literally as easy as logging in once. You just sign into the service inside Replit and boom, you can start building apps and automations that push and pull data instantly. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want an app that scans my YouTube comments, finds the trending topics, and then creates a 4 weeks content calendar inside Google Calendar. So with Replit Connectors, I just log into Google once, no API keys needed, and I can build the whole thing by just chatting with Replit Agent in plain English. This is a huge step for vibe coding. You can now build dashboards, automations, and full apps that integrates with all the tools you care about just by prompting. So let's just dive deep and test Replit Connectors by ourselves and see how this actually performs. So before we start, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well. And also please hype this video. It will help us to reach more audience. Alright, so first just go to replit.com or just click on the link in description, and then you can just start using Replit for free. And after that, this is the kind of interface that you'll see. Now just go to this integrations tab. So if I just like on this left side, you can see there is this new integrations tab, and this is where you'll find these connectors. So in here you can see there are a lot of these tools that you can just like sign into these tools, and then you can just like build apps using these tools. So you can use something like Asana. It will help you to read Asana tasks and project data from your workspace. You can also connect Discord. It will help you to access Discord guild information and user profiles directly inside your application. Similarly, you can connect Dropbox, GitHub, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Gmail, Google Sheets, HubSpot, Jira, Linear, Notion. So a lot of these third-party tools that you can directly just connect here. So let's just try to connect Gmail. So let me just click on this sign in button in front of Gmail, and here you can see there is this continue to Gmail. If I just click on this, and now I can just select my Gmail account, and now I can give access to Replit to manage, draft, and send emails when interact with the add-on. Also, it can view my emails. So I have just already clicked on select all, and after that I'll simply just click on continue, and now you can see it is connected successfully. Now I can simply just click on manage, and I can manage the connector scopes in here. So once Gmail is connected, next maybe let's just connect Google Calendar. So I can simply just click on sign in. Similarly just continue to Google Calendar. Now I can simply just like sign in using my email address, click on select all. It will allow Replit to see the events on public calendar, see the sharing permissions of Google Calendars, and a lot of other stuff. So I'll simply just click on continue, and now connection is successful, and you can see Google Calendar is also connected. Now let's just create an app. So let me just click on this create app button, and now let me just like build an app using the Gmail and Google Calendar integration. So I'm going to build this app. I just gave it this prompt: build me an app that reads my email inbox for new meeting requests, checks my Google Calendar for the next available time slot, and drafts a reply email suggesting that time. Also automatically create the event in Google Calendar once confirmed. So this is the app that I want to build using both of the connectors that I just connected using Gmail and Google Calendar. So I'll simply just press enter, and now Replit Agent will start working. As you can see, Replit has recently introduced Replit Agent 3, which can work non-stop continuously, I think for like 200 minutes. So it's going to be super helpful. Now in here you can see Replit Agent has automatically discovered that I have connected Gmail with my Replit connectors. So I can simply just click on this continue with connection. So now it will just now continue, and similarly discovered that I have connected my Google Calendar as well. So I'll simply just click on continue with connection as well, and now it will just continue and build this app. So here you can see now it is saying that both integrations are authorized. Now let me propose a plan for your meeting scheduling automation app. So this is the plan that it has created: read and parse email inbox for email containing meeting request keywords. So these are the features that it is going to add. So what I'll do, I'll simply just like maybe start with a design or maybe build the entire app. If I click on this build the entire app, it will going to take around 20+ minutes. So I think let's just select this build the entire app, and then it will just build that entire app. So then I'll have to like stop this video and then maybe like resume later. So I can simply just like select this build the entire app, because Agent 3 will just go ahead and build this entire app because it has already got what it needed for integrations. So now it will just like go ahead and build this entire app. So what I'll do, I will simply just click on the start building, and now you can see agent 3 will start building this app. So now Replit agent has started working. Now I can just like do something else and it will just like continue working on background, and once it will be done, it will just like notify me on email. This is just so handy. It's like having a whole team of developers working on background. So I'm going to pause this video here and I'll get back once Replit agent is done. Okay, so in exactly 14 minutes it has just created this application, and now you can see agent is still running, and it is going to now update this first task as complete and move on to completing the task list. So this is the application that it has created. It's not just like a simple front end dashboard. This is a fully functional application with fully integrated Gmail and Google Calendar. So now let's just click on publish button to publish this application. So I can just like give it a simple name or anything, and then it will create this .replit.app subdomain. I can later just like connect my own original domain, but for now let's just click on this publish button. As soon as I click on that, and it will just publish this application. Okay, so just like that, my app is deployed. Let me just click on this link, and now you can see my app is live and deployed. So Replit connectors make it more easy and simple to build full stack applications with third-party integrations. You can start testing it right away, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this amazing new feature by Replit. I see you next video. Bye bye.